Good morning and welcome to Yoga and You. My name is Sanjana, a passionate yoga teacher from India, here to show simple and meaningful yoga flows to the rest of the world. Today we will be learning a nice morning mobility yoga flow. After hours of sleep, our body can become stiff, tight and sluggish. Morning mobility practice can help wake the joints, improve circulation, reduce stiffness in the body and prepare us to move rest of the day happily. We'll start with a cat and cow. Slowly come on your knees, close your fist, take the forearm distance in between your knees, same distance to the palms, elbows up, hips up and feet open. So your wrist, your knee and your ankle are in one line. Have your toes pointing back. From here, as you inhale, slowly lift the tailbone, chest, abdomen towards the mat. Finally, chest and chin up. As you exhale, tuck your tailbone, push your shoulders and back tall. Finally, round and look down. We'll continue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Focus on the spine. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and round. Slowly center. Now bring your knees together. Okay. We'll include a leg movement along with the spine here. As you inhale, raise the leg. Lift it as high as you can with your knees straight. As you exhale, bend your knee, bring it forward, thigh close to the chest and look down. Continue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release. Okay, we'll slowly repeat the same on the left. As you inhale, raise the left leg up, arch and look up. Exhale, bend, round, knee to forehead. Continue. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, spine and your leg. Inhale and exhale. Slowly release. We'll take a small break here. You'll sit back on the heel. Place the palms beside your hips. Round your back, forehead down. Roll the shoulders and relax. 3, 2, 1. From here, slowly stretch your hands forward. Lift your hips. Place the right foot in between your palms. If you're comfortable, take the left leg little more behind. Lift your chest. Let your hands hang free on the sides. Simply focus on pushing the hips forward. We'll stay here. 5, 4, breathe. 3, 2, 1. Now, step by step, palms down. Take the right leg back. Step your left foot forward. Lift your chest, shoulders. Hands free on the sides. Push your hips forward. This stretches the back leg completely. The front side, your quads, hip flexors, psoas. 5. Breathe. 4. 3. 2. 1. Slowly keep your palms back. Take the left leg back. From here we'll enter a downward dog. Simply tuck your toes in, straighten the knees. Keep your feet hip width apart. If you're comfortable, lift the hip tall. Try to straighten the knees and bring the heels down. It's okay even if your knees are slightly bent here. Push the mat with your palms. Roll the shoulders away from the ears. Maximum length to your upper body. We'll stay here for 5 deep breaths. 5. You can look in between your heels or your knees. 4. 3. Deep breaths. 2. 1. From here, we'll enter Malasana. Slowly step the feet forward behind your wrists. Keep the feet nice and wide. Carefully bring the hips down. Some of us, if our ankles and calf is tight, the heel might lift. It is okay. You can roll your mat and give cushioning or place something high under the heel. If you're comfortable here, bring your elbows inside, palms in, namaskaram, and stay here. 5. Breathe. 4. 3. 2. 1. From here, we'll enter a simple forward fold. You can hold the big toes with your first 3 fingers, your thumb, middle, index finger, from the outside. It's not like this, you're holding it from the outside of the big toe. As you exhale, slowly lift the hip, rotate from the hip, roll the shoulders, elbows away. Take the forehead as comfortably as you can, closer towards the knees. 5. Slightly lean forward. 4. Comfortably breathe. 3. 2. 1. To dismount, first inhale, head up. Exhale, bring the hands on your waist. Next inhalation, slowly come up. Exhale, legs together. Next we'll move to a side stretch. You can keep the feet slightly wider. Hands on your waist. As you inhale, raise the right hand up. Lift tall. You are stretching the side. Continue with an inhalation. Slowly push the hip away and get into a deep side stretch. Here it's very important that your hip doesn't go back or your shoulder doesn't come forward. Open the right shoulder. Push your left hip forward. Feel the deep stretch on your side and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Inhale and come up. Exhale, release your right. Next inhalation, raise the left hand up. Push tall in the center. Exhale and side. 5. Remember the hip and shoulder alignment. 4. Don't hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Slowly release. Now we'll just stretch upward to help decompress our spine. Raise both your hands, interlock the fingers, turn your palms up and just lift the sides. Lift the sides as tall as you can and just stay here comfortably. 5, breathe. 4. While doing this, you're not lifting and arching, you're lifting straight up, vertically up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands. We slowly start finishing with Setu Bandhasana or the bridge breathing. Come down. Slowly lie down on your back. Place the palms beside the hips. Bring the heels close to your fingertips. Feet hip width apart. As you inhale, hip up. Exhale and down. Inhale, hip up. Exhale and down. We'll hold next. Inhale, hip up and stay here. This is a beautiful asana to strengthen your thighs, hips and your back. Continue breathing. Push tall. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Bring the knees closer to your chest and hug your thighs. Again we'll stay here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly rock yourself and come up. The next thing we'll be doing few rounds of this rocking front and back movement. But what you need to be careful here is not to fall like this with your straight back. You want to round vertebra by vertebra. So when you're rolling, first the lower back, then the mid, then the up and then reverse when you come up. We'll just do about 3 times up and down at your own pace. Inhale and back. Feel and go. This is very good for massaging the back muscles. Okay. Now slowly come down. We'll do the same side to side. You're still hugging the thighs. Roll the entire body to the right and to the left. This is a very good feel good roll. To the right and to the left. One more time, right and left. Center. We'll finish with a small twist. Let your knees be here. Take the hands to the sides of your shoulders. Okay, keeping the knee closer to the chest, twist and take both the knees down towards your right. Make sure that your left shoulder is not lifting. If needed, you can hug the legs with your hand also. Look through your left shoulder. 3, 2, 1. To the other side, take both the knees to your left hand. Look through the right. 3, 2, 1. Slowly center. Slowly come to your center, release and relax. Mobility isn't about flexibility, it is about how easily and comfortably you can move through the rest of your day. Thanks for practicing with me, and I hope you carry the sense of ease through the rest of your day.